When you first get to the static analysis result module, you're going to have to create a certain place, a certain tab for each third-party tools that we provide to users to control their results files, on SILKROAD ALM. What you gotta do to create a own space for each outer third-party tools, you're gonna have to go and click the plus tab on the top of the screen. Okay. From here, for example, you can type in QAC management, and the default repository. If it is source repository, it will be better because many times you might want to save the source files that you used to test the result of the static analysis being saved on the source repository of the SILKROAD ALM's source repository module, and you might want to interact from there and to here, coming back and forth to find out how to use this most proper way, with the most proper way, with the most proper methodology. Okay. From below, there's a field that you can choose the right rules for this third-party tool here. You can choose QACs, code sonars, C++ tests, code scrolls, and the one that we provide from SILKROAD itself. Okay. So you'll be able to browse the rules files from your local PC, and once it is imported, then after you import the rules, what you're gonna do next is to import the new test results from your local PC. Go to the left top side of the QAC tab and click New Item. And from here, you'll be able to browse for test results from your local PC. Import it and click OK on the right bottom side. Then the screen that you are seeing here will be presented. And as you accumulate more results according to the timeline, then you'll be able to see this trained analysis graphs and some other accumulated statistic data from your right side. As you can see, the major and minor defects will be realized in graphic form, the pie graph chart. And on the right side, the proportion of the major defects, and new and assigned according to the work status that's defaultly given from the QAC tool will be aligned here, and of course the minor defects will also be categorized according to the QAC's rule. And from below, you'll be able to check on the file paths of each element. And to the right side, there's a rule list, and below is the defect list. So according to the results, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different defects found, and the information is written on the right side, and you also are possible to see the line numbers of each files and file paths and some other details. And as you can see from the right side, there's an issue ID issued to a certain defect there. This means that the QAC. This means that the QAC can be connected to our issue system by the choice of the users. So users can um, issue the issue items to a certain defects so that the system can interactively work from each other, so that users can see how to fix, which to fix and how to fix it, and they can develop their work in progress from there. And this issued issues can be also uh, checked on your to-do list so that you'll be able to figure out what to do next. So the whole management process will be organized. And on the right side, users also can leave some comments for a certain defect. So this place is mostly about managing the results by looking into the statistics and the graphs, and how to deal with that should be decided later on by issuing the issues, which is used in SILKROAD ALM. Okay, and if you like to edit the current status of the space that you're looking at, you can just simply press this button on the top, left top, and open up the details to fix or delete. Okay, so that's almost about uh, the presets that's provided from SILKROAD ALM. But there's another choice, like you've seen. The SILKROAD ALM provides a customizable template for users in case they do not use any basic tools that we provide. So let's check that out. To examine that part, quickly go and click the plus button, and from here, if you choose to use the SILKROAD template, then the button on the right middle in the middle, template download, will be activated. And once you click it, the template which is given by the SILKROAD ALM will be activated. And if you input the proper values for each fields and upload it back to the SILKROAD ALM, the system will automatically recognize each rows and judge if the system can use this or not. And the results will be like this. So like any other third-party tools, the customizable templates given from SILKROAD ALM can also be used on SILKROAD system, the static analysis result system. So please keep that in mind. And the fields that you had to input will be described more detailedly by the given learning materials, educational materials that we are going to provide to you when it is purchased. So please don't worry about it. So far was the static analysis, which is the half part of the white box task management module. Okay, next is going to be the unit test management.